Cynthia.
Who are you? What do you want with me?
Who am I? Who are you to eliminate my partner from the game?
Eliminate? I don't even know what you're talking about.
Oh, yap. I have one final question for you. Where's the head honcho of the water balloons?
Like I tell you.
You will tell me.
And what if I don't?
Get the spray.
Oh please, what is water gonna do?
Tell me, where's your leader?
My leader. You that.
I got the location of the water balloons.
That's amazing.
I'm gonna need some help to win the splashing game for us.
Alrighty, I will get Xavier Castillo.
Xavier Castillo? That boy can't even swim. Why do you think you'll help me win this?
Stop worrying about it. You and Xavier got this.
I guess. Well, tell him to meet me at the warehouse in like 10 minutes.
Alright, I'll tell him.
Alright, see you then.
Hey, sorry I'm late.
Nah, it's fine. This is all the stuff that we need to win the game. You pick, and then suit up. We're all suited up. We're all ready. You ready to win this game?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go. There's someone at the gate. All we gotta do is just hit him with some water and then he's out. Do not get shot.
All right, I'll follow you.
All right, let's go. I got you.
That's not fair! I'm telling on you!
It's so hot. I kind of wish I was out already.
Xavier, you got no more water anymore. Are you kidding me? No, we're losing this game because of you. Look at.
Why'd you throw your hairs up?
What are you guys doing?
What does it look like I'm doing? We're trying to win this game, bro. We want a pizza party. I'm done with this. You wanna laugh? You wanna laugh at me? You wanna laugh at me now? Yeah, keep on laughing. Yeah, laugh at me now.
I want to go home anyways.
Yeah, go home. I don't want to play with you anyways.
Feel like I want to play this.
Xavier, wake up.
Okay, I'm awake.
Wake up, get up.
Okay, I'm awake! Bro, I just said I'm awake! Alright, I'm up. I'm out of water.
Bruh, that's what you get for falling.
You fell too, it's not my fault.
I still got water.
Yeah, but my gun dropped.
Let's just go.
Thanks for the water.
Yep.
Dang it, I missed.
Xavier, you got it. I'll go find the mastermind.
I got you.
Fine.
Ooh, finally something better than this little thing.
I found where the mastermind is. She's in the garage. Open it. In there. Well, all we have to do is knock. Okay, get back, get back, get back. We won! We won! Xavier, we won! We won!
I don't like this game anymore.
Man, wasn't that a fun game?
Man, you guys cheated. Guess that was fun.
There's 2 of you and there's 4 of us.
Yeah, how did you guys win?
Because we're just that good.